Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you another hairstyle you could try. I'm going to show you guys how I do my side ponytail, so stay tuned. So here I'm using my comb to make the side part. Now I'm going to apply warm to hot water on my hair. I'm smoothing the water into my hair so it would be able to soak up the leave-in conditioner that I'm going to apply. Now I'm going to use the Not Having It leave-in conditioner. Now I'm just detangling my hair with the comb and my fingers. I added more water to comb through my hair much easier. Now I'm applying Xtreme styling gel to the front part of my hair. And using my brush to smooth it down. Now I am putting my hair up with my scrunchie. I am combing more through my puff so I could braid it. I'm doing a touch up to make sure my hair stays down. Now I am using Aussie Moist Headstrong Volume Mousse to give my hair a better hold. I pulled a curl out and I'm going to twist it with my finger with the gel. And I'm adding more detail to the front. In the next clip, I'm going to show you my hair with the braid, and the final result is with the hair unbraided, as you can see. And thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!